Morning folks, so today's the day. Tyres are in the back. Oh no. How typical is this? Just as I went to pull off, the handbrake's being shit again. Unbelievable. Folks, I'm back at my mum's house and I roll back here on 4 lovely new shoes. The difference in driving, oh my god, it's like being on a cloud compared to how it was before. Also, in my hand here is a piece of paper. This particular piece of paper says on it that I can now drive my van for another year. I do have some things I need to do before I go, but one of them is give the wheels a quick lick of paint because they don't half look awful. And also I'm going to try and make this tyre go on the back door and figure out how to do that. And it's not broke the bank, so I've got plenty of money to make a start with anyway. Big shout out to Magna Garage in Wigston. It's the first time I've used them, but Marie had used them before. And really nice family run garage. They actually give a shit, you can tell, and I will most definitely be using them from now on for any garage needs. So if you need anything doing and you are local to that area, then I strongly encourage you go give them a visit. Let's get these wheels painted. A lot of people tend to overthink jobs like this, especially painting, but at the end of the day the question you're going to ask yourself is what you're going to be doing with the van, because I know for a fact that whatever I do I'm going to wreck it, pushing it on things and falling into ditches and whatever else. So when it comes to painting, for me, I just bang it on, I don't really care. It doesn't look, it's not an amazing finish and probably doesn't last as long as a professional job, but it don't cost me out, and when it wrecks I can just do it again. If you're going to be taking your van all over the place and, you know, all of these crap roads and stuff like that, then the paint's going to get wrecked. So is it worth spending thousands on professional paint jobs, or just get a roller or a brush and bang it on? This is like a rust neutraliser stuff that I put on first. This dries quite a nice hard black pretty quickly as well, so thought I'd lay this on to start with and then do the paint after. Right, next. Tell you what's happening now, folks. Scotland is calling me. Look at this. It's like, come on Ash, here's a taste. Oh, I can't bloody wait. A little bit of time has passed. It's now evening. I think I got that paint on the tyres just in time before it started shitting it down with snow. Right, I was going to go off tonight somewhere else, but I decided that this dashboard, I've been putting up with it for weeks. I don't really know why, because all my gauges aren't working. It was sort of intermittent, so I'd get really annoyed with it and then it'd start working and I'd forget about it and it'd break again. And I just put it off. But I'm gonna have a look, because it could potentially just be like a cable worked its way out or something daft like that. I doubt it, if I'm honest, because when is life ever that flipping easy? But it's worth a quick look just in case. Someone commented about they think it's the water when I do the screen, but there's a huge gap between the windscreen and where these cables are. It's about a foot away from it, so I'm pretty sure it ain't that. You'll see when I get it off, there's no wires down there. I'll be a very happy man if this is literally just a wire. The thing with these Ivecos, they don't have many bolts holding things in, but the ones they do are bloody massive. It's not like working on a VW where you got like 300 tiny little micro bolts. These ones, they just... There we go, there we go. Apologise in advance for the camera work on this section, but I'm not really interested in doing that right now. If I'm brutally honest with you, don't be lazy. I'm going to pull. I think we're alright. Stand you there. Right, there we go. Whoa. That's a good look, isn't it? See why I didn't want to do this at the side of the road? So this is where we're trying to look, down in there. I'm going to have to get in and have a look, so you can have a look as well. So, as I thought, these are lock-in plugs on the back. There's one on each side, and they're both okay. And there's not really anything else it can be. So unless anyone's got any ideas, I'm suspicious that the actual unit itself's dead. I've just wiggled them cables. Let me turn it on and see if we get anything. Yeah, no fuel gauge. I'll wiggle that. Empty cables. Oh, now we've got no flipping lights. Try to turn it off and on again. Oh, great, now I killed it completely. Yeah, I may have just bricked the dashboard. There's no corrosion on the pins. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve by looking at this, but I suppose a dashboard's a universal thing, right? That's not ECU specific. Ah, tonight's not gone as I'd planned. Oh yeah, I think that is buggered, and that dash thing ain't on either anymore, which is annoying. So I may have just killed it permanently. No, I'll just check the fuses, it ain't them. By the way, just to clarify, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, there's a lot of burnt out things on the back of here. Pins are slightly rusty. I'm going to have to ask for assistance on this. I you not. All of those burnt bits on the back, I just wiped them with my finger. And it's bloody working. Look at that. Let's start her up, see if the rev gauge is working. Fuel gauge has come up. Oh dear. I can't believe that, that's ridiculous. I just wiped it. So I just give all these pins a proper clean with some brake cleaner. I didn't have any alcohol, so hopefully they should be alright now. Get back together. Alright, moment of truth. I just changed my dash back around. This is how I used to have it before Leon. it's just nicer place to have my phone and stuff, so it's not right in my face, and then that can be where it should be. Anyway, right, let's turn this sucker on. Oh yes, we have a working dashboard. Thank God for that. And I've got my dash set up back together again. Need to sort this reverse camera situation out as well, because that's annoying. Right folks, nearly forgot to end the video there. It's like 1 AM. So yeah, productive day. Lots of things fixed, sorted, good to go. Probably have a look at doing the wheel tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. But for now, it's bedtime. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.